hatching of the Adopticorns!
Here's your pacifiers.
And your little diapers!
We can't wait to find a home for all of these adorable Adopticorns.
Whoops! You're a clever one, aren't you? Back in the playpen.
Spinella, so nice to see you out at Puppycorn Park.
Are you interested in adopting an Adopticorn? Yes. More than anything, I want to adopt an Adopticorn, but I don't know what kind of mommy I will be. It's okay to be nervous. Just follow your Rainbocorn heart.
And ask yourself, what will you be?
So much choice, so many things to do. I know you'll make the perfect choice for you. Life's so much fun, something for everyone. Now anything is possible, so take your chance to be. Just shine and sparkle, let them see you'll be just who you wanna be. Yeah. The choice is yours now, so what will you be?
Don't be afraid to try to wait. Just take this chance, don't hesitate. Yeah, this life is yours now, so what will you be? Just shine and sparkle, let them see you'll be just who you wanna be.
Okay, what will I be?
The Adopticorns are learning their first words.
Mama! Rainbow! Hearts! Sparkle!
What's your word, Nino?
Mama?
What will I be? I'll be your adopted mommy.
Let's give a cheer for the newest mummy in Rainbowville.
Yeah! You'll inspire little Nino to be the best Rainbocorn she can be.
Rainbocorns, are you ready? Go wild! Let your horn down and shake it off. Throw your paws out, those times were tough.
Xania has the wildest hatching parties.
It's a big day of music, dance, and games.
Love this music!
Hey, Nino, you've got great moves on those skates.
Thanks, Munchkin!
I need a partner for the egg carton race. With your moves, I think you'd be perfect.
Sure, I'd love to help you out. Holy heights! That is a long racetrack.
The egg carton race goes all the way from up here at the top of Mount Everest back to the Xania Shelladome at the finish line.
This looks wild, but I'm up for the adventure.
And one last egg carton has entered the race. It's Munchkin and Nino in the Sunnyside Speedster. Ready?
Ready to roll!
Set,
I think so.
go!
Woohoo! Beep, beep! We're so fast! Hey, this is fun!
Here comes the first obstacle. It's Shell Street.
Whoa! I can't believe we made it!
And we just passed the Runny Racers. We're in first place. Uh-oh,
What's wrong?
the steering wheel. We're heading into the big obstacle, the Scrambler. We're going to crash.
Wait, I've got this. Come on, Skates. Let's ride!
It looks like Nino is steering the egg carton with her own roller skates. What a skater!
You're doing it, Nino. You're steering us.
The Sunnyside Speedster wins!
Wow, nice job, Nino. I think you're going to fit in at Xania Academy excellently.
I can't figure out this spell. It's all mixed up.
We'll never be able to save Exania.
Hey, Nino and Axel. Seems like there's a lot on your mind. Doing magical yoga would help. What's magical yoga? We teach everyone at the academy how to stretch, relax, and unlock their magic hearts with yoga.
We'll try anything.
Okay, start by finding your center. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let's move into the downward-facing puppycorn pose. Follow me.
It's like dancing, but slow and relaxing.
That's right, Axel. And now flow into mermaid corn pose. A puppycorn pose should be easy for me, but it's not. You'll get there, give it time. Now let's try the fairycorn princess pose.
I feel like a yoga princess.
I'm not getting this pose either. Relax, Nino, slow it down. Let your mind be as flexible as your arms in the rainbow reach pose. Reach the rainbow. Reach, reach. First there was Opposite Day. Then Monster Corn Manor appeared. Then the fog started making Exania disappear. The magic is all connected. I know what we have to do.
Our hearts are glowing.
The yoga is helping your mind connect to what your heart wants. Can you read the spell now? I can! This will take all of our magic, all of Axel's craft skills,
I'm ready.
and even Charmelina's yoga skills to pull it off. I'm ready! Let's save Exania!
A sparkle here, a sparkle there. Hey, Ruby, the palace on your heart is flashing. You know what that means, Raya? Someone in the palace is in need of help. I'm on my way.
I can't do it.
What's going on, DJ?
I am supposed to do a big stunt during the grand finale of the mythical musical. What if something goes wrong?
Well, we can prepare here in the fanciest magical gymnasium in all of Rainbowville.
It is pretty amazing in here.
And I can be your personal coach. Tell your old coach what you're worried about.
I have to jump, flip, and go through 3 hoops. But what if I fall into a giant ice cream sundae?
That sounds delicious. Is there going to be a giant ice cream sundae in the show?
No, I mean, it is Rainbowville, so anything could happen. But no.
Well, then I think that's one worry you can cross off the list.
What if a huge cookie falls on me? Or I get tangled in a big pile of spaghetti?
You have food on the brain. Do you need a snack? Here's a protein bar.
Yeah, I was hungry.
Okay, back to it.
But what if something else bad happens?
DJ, let it go. Here, you can have my very special magical tiara of troubles. Whenever you have a worry, it will protect you.
Perfect.
Now give it another try.
Giant pumpkin pie. No. Stuck in a huge donut? No. wasn't worried about anything.
No dessert-filled doubts for this Rainbocorn.
Once I was able to focus, I was able to concentrate on what was important. This tiara really works.
Actually, the tiara didn't do anything. That was all you overcoming your worries.
Really? That was all me?
Yeah! This is actually the magical tiara of tasty treats. Want a giant ice cream sundae?
Sure, let's celebrate.
Do you really think the last magic pearl made it up on land, Mirabella?
You never know, Rufus. I'll search high and low to save Mermaid Cove. Aha! Those crabs have the last pearl. Follow those crabs.
Hey, they went into Puppycorn Park. I hang out here all the time. Hey, Rufus, are you here to sign up for the Crab-A-Thon?
Crab-A-Thon? What's a Crab-A-Thon?
The Crab-A-Thon is a sideways race around Puppycorn Park. All are welcome, but the crabs usually win. They're the best at running sideways.
Okay, crabs. We'll run your race.
But if we win, we'll get the magic pearl. Deal?
Clack your claws if you agree.
Yay! On your mark, get crabby, go!
Oh, running sideways is awkward. Whoa!
Oh. Whoops. These crabs move fast. Look out for the obstacles.
Oh, I'm falling behind. The crabs are going to win.
No way! Rufus wins! Yay!
That was some stunt, Rufus.
I know Puppycorn Park like the back of my paw. Thank you, Crabs. That was so much fun.
Now we have all the pearls. We can finally put on the Sea Circus Spectacular. Woo!
Yay!